The Trans-Sahelian Highway. A Trans-Sahel Highway is a transnational highway project to pave, improve and ease border formalities on a highway route through the southern fringes of the Sahel region in West Africa between Dakar, Senegal in the west and N'Djamena, Chad, in the east. Alternative names for the highway are the Dakar-Ndjamena Highway or Ndjamena-Dakar Highway, and it is Trans-African Highway 5 in the Trans-African Highway network. The highway passes through 7 countries and 5 national capitals, and links regions of similar climate and environment which have cultural and trade links going back centuries. It is one of 2 east-west transnational links in West Africa and runs inland from and for most of its length, roughly parallel to the Trans-West African Coastal Highway, with a separation of about 900 kilometers, 559 miles. Route and status. Overall features, length and condition. The Trans-Sahelian Highway has a length of about 4,500 kilometers, 2,796 miles, running through Senegal, Mali, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, and the far northern tip of Cameroon, ending at N'Djamena just inside the western border of Chad, all but about 775 kilometers, 482 miles, mostly in western Mali, has been paved, but extensive sections elsewhere require rehabilitation or are currently under reconstruction. Most of the route uses existing national highways, but an optional route requires construction of a completely new road between Senegal and Mali. Detail of sections. The cities and countries served, and status of the road are as follows. Going east, in Senegal, Dakar to Tambacounda, 462 kilometers, 287 miles, paved, 315 kilometers, 196 miles. In poor condition. This road has been paved for several decades, linking Senegal and Mali between Tambacounda and Bamako. 2 options were proposed in the 2003 consultants' report. A shorter, more direct southern route via Saraya and Kita, about 825 kilometers, 513 miles, using about 300 kilometers, 186 miles, of road paved in the 1990s, of which most was in good condition, and requiring construction of 345 kilometers, 214 miles, of new road and the paving of 180 kilometers, 112 miles, of earth road. A longer northern route of about 910 kilometers, 565 miles, via Kays, Die Akuteme and Idjeni, utilizing national roads of Mali which are paved. In southeastern Mali, Bamako to Sikasso via Bougouni, 374 kilometers, 232 miles, paved before 1990 and in fair condition. Sikasso to Koloko at the Burkina Faso border, paved and in fair condition. Burkina Faso section, 862 kilometers, 536 miles, via Bobo Dioulasso, Ouagadougou, Koupela, and Fada Goma, paved and in good condition except for 120 kilometers, 75 miles. Paved section before the Niger border, due to be rehabilitated in 2003-5. Niger section, 837 kilometers, 520 miles, of which 600 kilometers, 373 miles, was in poor condition, via Niamey, Dosso, Dogandouchi, Bernankoni and Maradi to the Nigerian border at Jibia. Nigeria section, 972 kilometers, 604 miles, all paved and in fair condition, via Katsina, Kano, Kari, Maiduguri and Dikwa. The short Cameroon section consists of an 85 kilometers (53 miles) unpaved gravel road from the Nigerian border to Multam, which is impassable in the wet season, as this road is not used by local traffic to any extent. Cameroon has no plans to upgrade it. The 25 kilometers (16 miles) section from Multam to Kuseri at the Chad border is paved and is used mainly by Chadian traffic. Chad. The highway runs only a few kilometers into Chad, to the outskirts of the capital Ndjamena, which is situated on the eastern banks of the Lagane and Chari rivers, which form the Cameroon-Chad border. Alternative routes at the eastern end. The alternative to the unpaved section through Cameroon is a route which adds about 200 kilometers (124 miles) on paved roads via Bama in Nigeria and Mora and Wazda in Cameroon. An alternative route of about 1,400 kilometers (870 miles) between Niger and Chad, bypassing Nigeria, will be possible when a proposed new road around the north and east of Lake Chad is built, connecting Ndjamena to Nwigmi, which is about 60 kilometers (37 miles) inside Niger. Nwigmi is connected by a paved road via Zinda to Maradi, where it meets the Trans-Sahelian Highway. Links to other transnational highways. The Trans-Sahelian Highway intersects with the following Trans-African highways: the Cairo-Dakar Highway in Dakar, the Trans-West African Coastal Highway in Dakar, the Trans-Sahara Highway in Kano, Nigeria, the Ndjamena-Djibouti Highway in Ndjamena, with which it will form a complete east-west crossing of the continent of 8,715 kilometers. 5,415 miles. The northern regions of Guinea, Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, Togo, and Benin are close to the Trans-Sahelian Highway, which may be used to buy travelers between those regions in preference to the Trans-West African Coastal Highway. Further south, paved roads connect the Trans-Sahelian and West African Coastal Highways through Côte d'Ivoire, Sakasa Abobo Dialasso to Yamoussoukro, Ghana, Ouagadougou to Accra, Togo, Koupela to Lomé, Benin, Dosso to Cotonou, Nigeria, Bern and Koniakano to Lagos. See also: Trans-West African Coastal Highway, Trans-Sahara Highway, Trans-African Highway Network, African Development Bank, United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. Review of the implementation status of the Trans-African Highways and the missing links. Volume 2. Description of corridors. August 14, 2003. Retrieved 14 July 2007. Michelin Motoring and Tourist Map. Africa North and West. Michelin Travel Publications. Paris, 2000.